My name is Jason Sharman. I'm founder and managing partner of Burlington Real Estate Advisors. We are a niche real estate, commercial real estate investment practice focusing on Poland. Just going to say a few words right now on the Warsaw office investment market. So right now the Warsaw investment market for offices is quite a divided market in terms of there being the CBD, edge of centre, Mokotów, Jerozolimsky corridor. There's also some investment opportunities on the other side of the river, and increasingly in other districts of Warsaw outside the CBD. So investors have different cost of capital. They have core, they have core plus, and they have value add capital, and where the opportunities lie depends on the cost of capital. I would say that Mokotów right now has great potential. Tenants there are currently now paying rents, headline rents, in the best buildings of 12-13 euros headline, with some offices even being at 11-10 euros per square metre headline. So this makes the market very cheap in comparison to somewhere like Wola, where tenants are having to pay 17, 18, 19 euros headline, or the CBD, which even goes up to 23, 24, maybe even 25 euros for small tenants. So there really is a difference between those three sectors. Jerozolimsky is, it depends whether it's in a Jerozolimsky close to the centre or right out to the edge of the centre, but that potentially ranges between maybe 15, 16 euros down to 12, 13 euros also, and even lower for the older buildings. But focusing on the three main areas of CBD, Wola or Ronda Daszyńskiego, and Mokotów, they're three very different markets, three different sectors. I think that the core funds are still predominantly interested in the CBD, with some looking at Ronda Daszyńskiego, providing it's a brand new building, fully leased, rack rented on a good WALT. Value add funds are interested in CBD, where it's very hard to find opportunities. They would look at Wola, where once again it's very hard to find value add opportunities. And so I think going forward, Mokotów presents the best opportunities for value add funds, where I think the price per square metre of properties is very low, rents are low, and infrastructure is being improved dramatically. So in short, I think Mokotów presents a great opportunity for value add funds, and Ronda Daszyńskiego and certainly the CBD still attracts the core and core plus investors. So that in short is how I see the office market. Thank you very much.